Hey there, fellow IKEA enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super handy: how to add your IKEA family card to Apple Wallet in 2025. If you're tired of fumbling through your wallet at the checkout, this quick guide will have you set up in no time. It's a game changer for seamless shopping, earning rewards, and accessing exclusive deals right from your iPhone. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have what you need. You'll need an iPhone running the latest iOS. Think iOS 18 or later for 2025, and the IKEA app installed. Oh, and don't forget your IKEA family account login details. If you don't have an account yet, head over to the IKEA website to sign up quickly. Step 1. Open the IKEA app on your iPhone. If you haven't updated it, do that now to ensure everything's compatible with the 2025 features. Once you're in, log in to your account using your email and password. Easy peasy. Next, navigate to the My IKEA or Account section. It's usually in the menu at the bottom. Look for the IKEA Family Card option. Tap on it, and you should see a prompt that says something like Add to Apple Wallet. Go ahead and select that. Now, Apple Wallet will pop up. You'll be asked to verify your card details. Double-check everything for accuracy, then hit Add. Your iPhone might ask for Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Just follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. Boom! Your IKEA family card is now in your wallet app. One quick tip: if you run into any issues, like the card not appearing, make sure your app is updated and your iPhone is connected to the internet. Also, check your privacy settings in Apple Wallet to ensure everything's allowed. There you have it. That's all it takes to add your IKEA family card to Apple Wallet in 2025. You'll love how convenient it is for your next IKEA run. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.